Have you ever questioned the line between reality and artificial intelligence? What you're seeing now is a testament to the rapid evolution of AI video creation, specifically powered by RenderNet AI. For years, AI-generated content carried a telltale sign, a certain lifelessness, an artificial quality that was easily detectable. But that's changing. RenderNet is pushing the boundaries, delivering remarkably realistic and consistent AI characters. Think of it. Characters that maintain their visual identity across various scenes and actions, bringing a new level of believability to digital content. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a paradigm shift in how we create and consume video. Let's dive into the core of RenderNet AI. The platform simplifies the creation of AI characters. You can begin with a simple upload, your own photo, or a reference image. RenderNet's tools allow for detailed customization. You can define characteristics like ethnicity, body type, hairstyle, and complexion, ensuring consistency throughout your project. Imagine crafting a digital influencer, a brand ambassador, or even an AI clone of yourself. This is where RenderNet's Video Anyone feature comes into play. It breathes life into your AI characters. You can input text prompts, directing the AI to generate dynamic video sequences. Want your character walking in the rain, holding an umbrella, or maybe posing at a product launch? RenderNet transforms static images into fluid, engaging videos. The practical applications of RenderNet are vast. Consider the potential for social media marketing. You can create a consistent AI persona and generate a stream of captivating videos, dominating platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Imagine the possibilities for educational content, virtual presenters, or even personalized video messages. RenderNet offers a library of examples, showcasing the power of effective prompting. You can see how simple text inputs translate into stunning visual outputs. For instance, a static image of a person on a jet ski becomes a dynamic video of them riding through waves. These examples serve as a valuable resource, helping users master the art of AI video generation. Let's walk through the process. First, you upload your image. Then, you refine your character's attributes using RenderNet's detailed customization tools. You can choose between a simple mode for quick results or a pro mode for granular control. Next, you input your text prompt, describing the desired action or scene. You can adjust the aspect ratio and the number of generated variations. RenderNet's AI interprets your prompt, creating unique video sequences. The higher the generation count, the more options you'll have. This flexibility allows for a high degree of creative control, ensuring you achieve the desired outcome. Beyond the core features, RenderNet offers advanced tools like pose control, change at true touch, and even narrator functionality, allowing your characters to speak. These tools elevate the level of realism and interactivity, opening up new possibilities for content creation. With RenderNet AI, the future of video is here. 4 tips on mastering prompts or designing viral AI influencers. Smash subscribe and hit the bell.